Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Wednesday, January 22nd, 2020. So I only traded one stock today, and that was IBM. Unfortunately, because of yesterday's kind of bad trading day, which was bad live, but decent in sim, I did go below my PDT, which is fine because I just kind of didn't trade well. I had described yesterday, I really didn't go through my routine as I normally would, and I definitely should expect those type of results. Today, though, however, was a different day. I definitely had more time to prepare, which is probably at least 15 minutes before the market opens, 15 to 20 minutes. I really did like IBM, the news catalyst coming off of earnings, and strong earnings at that. So the stock was gapping up in the pre-market, as we can see here, up from 139 to like around 140, 143. So that was a pretty good gap up on strong volumes. Definitely a stock in play for today. Initially, the stock opened and a lot of volume came in, as you kind of see here. We see like this inverse hammer and really just kind of like held on, really didn't break below this level. And then we saw this candle shoot straight up through VWAP. I took a short only because I thought it was a little extended and I thought it would come back down perhaps before it kind of took off. But then I quickly covered right here. So I went short around 143.85 and I covered at 144.11. But then I noticed volume was comparable here, and it was kind of wicking up top and up here. It's kind of dotted here. It's a 200-day moving average, so I definitely thought it would take a little bit to break through this. So I took another short at 144.48, and then covered the next minute here around 144. 143.89 all the way down to 143.57. So that was something different I normally don't do, but I really felt kind of confident based on this. But obviously this was still, the first minute still kind of indicated a very bullish sentiment, in this at least the morning session of the trading. So here, then we saw some volume pick up, and I saw it kind of was retesting a 200-day moving average. I took a long position around 144.55. And then I added to my position on the pullback, which I should have waited because right here, this wick really was close to stop me out. Had my stop loss really tight, or not tight, pretty flexible, but I had it pretty extended here to this 9-day moving average. But it kind of just bounced back, and I felt confident after that this probably was going to go up a little bit more, and had a price level around here, around close to 146. But I did get scared, and I did sell some position. I think a little heavier than I wanted to. And then I got confirmation once again. It's kind of steady. So it's kind of like back and forth here, which wasn't great trading. Then I sold, bought some more, thinking it was going to now finally take off. I think I was looking at the level 2 and the time in sales. So I took a final long here at 144.87, covered at 145.02, covered again at around 145. All the way up to 145.77. So a little bit of over trading here. Should have had more conviction, especially after this long wick tested this exponential moving average here, and I should have just had more confidence in that. But that's something I'll have to obviously keep working on going forward. Like I said, one of the tells, at least for the early morning, being strong, besides gapping up, is that this opening first minute candle, a lot of strong volume coming in, about 500 over 500,000 shares being traded, and really didn't break down any further than this level here. So definitely led to have a long bias go forward. That was the only stock I traded today. So in sim, I did okay. Tomorrow I did put a little bit more money back into my live account, but I'll try to go back, and I broke the rule of trading just little small shares. I think I traded like 20 or 30 the prior day, and I just got FOMO and whatnot, and bad trading, and I lost the money, unfortunately, like $70 or so. And so so I deposit back up about $100, so keep it very relatively small, and just trade small, not care about the actual P&L at the end of the day, but have enough to still continue, live trade, which I still think that's important, and to do both really. So I have a real intent to try the trade live and with sim tomorrow. Still going through earnings. Earnings is still happening, so definitely look forward to seeing stocks in play tomorrow morning. Hope everyone else had a good day and a green day, and I'll talk to you later.